Good afternoon. You might have noticed that I'm not currently sitting on a pile of rocks, which is because I am in my garden back home in Tucson. I'm fortunate enough to live pretty close to my field sites, which means when I need to take a day or two off, I can just go home. And field work is really physically demanding work. It's important to not burn yourself out. It's a lot more dangerous to burn out when you're in the field as opposed to, working an office job. So we take that very seriously. And if you can't go home, people will usually take half a day to a day off just to physically recuperate. So I'm enjoying the nicer weather and being in familiar setting. And hey, if you're also in need of a moment of relaxation to sort of collect yourself, then I invite you to watch the remainder of this video, which is a kazoo cover by a couple of our volunteers from a few nights ago of Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. So enjoy.
Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I said it's alright. Little darling, the smiles returning to their faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun, and I said, it's alright. It's alright. Sun, 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 here it comes. 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 Little darling, I feel the ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years